The Shrinkwrap Unit Setup. Place some finished rolls on the in-feed conveyor and adjust the guide rails so that there is a smooth transition into the shrink-wrap unit. A clamp cylinder holds additional rolls in place until the next cycle of rolls are ready to enter the shrink-wrap unit. Pull the cylinder push plate out to the extended position and move the clamp cylinder until it reaches the sides of the finished rolls. Tighten into position. Move the rolls under the nip roll. Lower the nip roller assembly onto the rolls. Apply slight down pressure and tighten the assembly. Move the rolls under the nip roll sensor to make sure that the sensor lights are working properly. Next, move the rolls further into the shrink wrap unit to adjust the main side shift cylinder. Loosen the retract stop and adjust the push plate to be flush with the side guide. As rolls enter the machine, they should remain in a single row until the push plate is activated. Tighten the retract stop in position. The sensor on the side of the main push cylinder may need to be adjusted to recognize its new retracted position. Move the sensor until the light is activated and tighten into position. A variety of guide rails needs to be adjusted in the area where the rolls will be positioned for shrink wrapping. With the set of rolls centered on the push plate, position the stop plate. Then adjust the transition guides before the film. Position the side guides on the first conveyor slightly wider than the transition guides. This will keep the rolls together in rows while being shrink wrapped. The two side seal units also need to be aligned with the guides in the shrink wrapper. These can be moved in and out by turning the hand wheels. Two separate rolls of shrink wrap film are utilized when operating this machine. Web diagrams are located on the side of the machine for reference. Web the film through the machine according to the diagrams. Press the appropriate unwind button to jog the product roll through the machine. Pull any excess material into the shrink wrap station. To manually seal the top and bottom rolls together, turn the inlet conveyor off and press the start button. Next, press the manual seal button. Remove the excess material from the machine. Turn on the inlet conveyor and press the start button to test the machine. Switches on the control cabinet allow you to set up for different roll configurations to meet your packaging needs.